I've got a handy tip here. If you've got a JZX or similar Toyota with power windows, and sometimes this, particularly the driver's side window, doesn't go up very well. So I'll show you a trick to fixing it. So I've undone all the screws, and it looks like I broke that bit. So don't break yours. But this thing just gently unclips from here. These little clips. Probably going to break something else now. Did it before easy enough. There we go. All right. So here's your switch unit. There's all your electronics and stuff. Stuff on the back in there. We don't need to worry about that. So here's your switches here. And what they activate is these little pads just here. What they do is they work on these little guys here. So if you didn't know, all you do is you get some, I've got brake cleaner, but you could use metho or acetone, I guess. And then just gently wipe the pads clean, including these little copper contacts. Wipe them clean. Wipe it clean, wipe it clean. I've already done this anyway, but wipe them all down. And then grab your board and wipe the contacts on the board down. You can check your cloth to see how dirty it gets. I've already cleaned these, so it's probably not going to get that dirty, but yeah. If your Toyota power windows aren't going up, that's probably why. So there you go. Thanks for watching.